In this level, you'll learn to play the open A minor chord. It includes your index finger, middle finger, and your ring finger. To grab this chord, you put your index finger on the first fret of the B string. Now add your middle finger to the second fret of the D string. And finally, add your ring finger to the second fret of the G string. So, counting from the thinnest string, your index finger goes on the first fret of the second string. Your middle finger goes on the second fret of the fourth string. And your ring finger goes on the second fret of the third string. This is the open A minor chord. If you already know the open E chord, you can just move that whole shape one string like this. So it's actually the same shape, but on different strings. To play the open A minor, you strum all strings except the thickest string. So start the strum from the fifth string. The following lessons will teach you to grab this chord one finger at a time. But if you want, you can jump straight to the full chord. Good luck.